Find the hidden twist move needed to solve this airplane puzzle. With this puzzle, the goal is to take the airplane apart and join all the pieces back together. You can see our first piece would be taking off that top tail fin. Then we can remove the back tail fin. Our next movement here is going to be to twist this piece. Then at this point we can lift the wings out. Next, slide the wheels out. And now it's very simple to take these pieces apart. This piece can come out here, and then these two pieces can come apart. We have to put it back in the same way it came apart. Then we're going to take our piece with our propeller on it. Next, take our wheels and put them on first. We got to make sure we put them on the right side. Put our top wings in. And then now we can do our little turning piece right here. And then next we have to go put the back wing on. Take this piece here and lock these pieces into place.